We're going to draw the corner brace. The corner brace is a drawing where we're going to do the front, top, and right side views of the object. The book gives us the front and top view, but it does not give us the right side view, and it does not give us the isometric view either. So we're going to create all of those. So I'm going to start with the front view. The front view length says that it is 6 inches. So I'm just going to go 6. It says that this lip on the right hand side is 0.75. That's all I know from that side. It then says that this is 3 inches tall and that the lip on top is 0.75. And then I can just attach it to the top of that. It says that the thickness of our material is 0.75 also. So I'm just going to draw this down, this over from those 0.75. And I'm going to trim off this bottom piece there. So there is the basic shape of our front view. I'm going to go 1 inch up from here, 1 inch, and then draw the top view. So the top view is 6 inches long. It's 2.5 wide by 6 by 2.5. There is this 0.75 line right here. And it says that there's a stripe right down through the middle, and the distance from this bottom side to the stripe is 0.88. So I'm going to go offset this line up 0.88. And then I'm going to take this. It says that the thickness of that spline that runs down the middle is 0.74. So I'm going to offset this up 0.74. Then I'm going to trim. And I don't even need to worry about what this measurement is because it doesn't tell us, and I'm just assuming that it's whatever is left over. All right, so let's go down to the front now. I'm going to go over 1 inch and draw the right side view. So the width of this we established is 2.5. The height is 3 by 2.5 by 3. And we know that there's a line across right here. And there's a stripe through the middle. And we already established that the distance from here to here is 0.88, and the distance from here to here is 0.74. So we're going to do the same thing we did on the top. I'm going to go offset from here over 0.88, and from here over 0.74. And then simply trim off the bottom. And that's all there is to it. Now let's create the isometric view. Make sure that your polar tracking is turned on. Make sure it's set at 30 degrees. And we're going to draw our length first. 30 degrees. 6. Height is 3 on the back end. The top edge is 0.75. Coming up here, this is 0.75. I'm going to go back this way and down this way. And then we'll trim off this piece. It says that the width is 2.5, so let's go 30 degrees this way, 2.5, up 0.75, and back here. And I'm going to do that for all of these. 30 degrees, 2.5, down to there, 2.5, 0.75, okay, here's this L bracket, this here, and now we just have to put that angled piece down through the middle. Well, I know from here it's over 0.88 and from here over 0.88. So I'm just going to draw a reference line. from here this way, 0.88, and then back until it hits here, up until it hits here. I'm going to go over the thickness of that spline, which is 0.74. And then I'm going to go down to here and over to here. From here, I'm going to go back up. And I'm going to connect these points. Okay, now I don't see most of this, so I'm going to get rid of this line. I don't see it. This line, I don't see it. And I have to trim quite a bit. Trim this stuff in here. There. So this back edge goes until it disappears behind here. This back edge disappears behind here. And now let's just move everything. Don't need to. I'm going to hold the shift key and unselect these. I'm going to move these over. Do the same thing with these. I'm going to move over until they fit. Call the corner brace, and we're all done. Don't forget to save it. Save it as a corner brace in your first period folder in architectural design, and you're all set. Hopefully that was helpful.